Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? I hope so that you are enjoying good health. You know that we are on chapter number 5. The title of this chapter is Message in a Bottle. In our previous lecture, you have gone through all the reading and you have read this chapter with complete understanding. Today we are going to do vocabulary. Because vocabulary is very much important to enrich your language. So today we are going to learn vocabulary. Here are some difficult words given from the chapter and we will write down the meanings of these words. The first one is decided, difficulty, discovered, foolish, message, scampered, wondered. Okay students, first of all we will find out these words from your chapter so that you can easily understand that what these words are actually and what are the meanings of these words. Okay students, look at page number 44. Yes, the first one word is here in the first line. Difficulty. With great difficulty the children took the cap of the bottle. So you can easily understand that the meaning of difficulty is it's hard, it's not easy to them to open the cap of the bottle. So you can understand that they were not feeling easy or it's not easy to open that. Next one, wondered. The children wondered what to do. The children were just thinking about or thinking a plan that what they have to do now. Or you can say that they were curious that what they have to do now. Then the word come decided. He would be able to tell them what it said. They decided to go to him. Decided mean they made up their mind. They planned to do something. Scampered. They scampered along to the shop. Mean they ran quickly towards the shop. Discovered. Discovered mean find something. Look what we discovered on the beach. Look what we find on the beach. Another meaning, message. Tell him that you found his message. Message, a small note, a small letter. And there is another word on the next page, foolish. We are foolish. Foolish mean that we are not clever. We are not intelligent enough. So these are the words and we will learn the meanings of these words today. Okay students, now look at these words and just read out the meanings in detail. Decided. Made up one's mind about something. Difficulty. Something not done easily. Discovered. Found. Uncovered. Learnt about. Foolish. Not clever. Not bright. Message. A short letter or words sent from one person to another. Scampered. Ran quickly and lightly. Wondered. Thought about with curiosity and doubt. Okay students, now we move towards the homework which you have to done on your notebook. You have to write down the meanings of these words which you find difficult in your lesson. So unit number 5, message in a bottle, you have to ready your sketch, words, English meanings. And I have just shortened these meanings so that you learn it quite easily. Decided, made up one's mind. Difficulty, something not done easily. Discovered, found. Foolish, not clever. Message, a short letter. Scampered, ran quickly. wondered, thought with curiosity. So, students, these are the words which you have to write down on your notebook and you have to learn it in a good way. Okay, students, I hope so that you have quite easily understand this and you will do your work neatly and very in a good handwriting. So, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.